Alright guys, welcome back. It's LSP. Just wanted to just quickly go through what I'm going to be looking for this week, and as you can see I've got some open positions on the Euro USD. Just popping over to the dollar for a second. I believe, let's go to the daily. You can see obviously we've had this really nice downtrend. We had this move up, or slight rally, and then a nice drop again into the weekly. Just zoom in a bit because this is the March contract, but into this consolidation area, and it had an indecision week last week. Kind of went down, kind of went up, but didn't really do much. Finished almost equal or even on the week. I believe we're going to get a little bit of a rally, to be honest, on the US dollar. You can see that I've marked a couple of levels off here. All right, and got the one high, two high, three high, or 1, 2, 3 highs. We've got some stops just resting above this. You can see that from this point. I even go as far as to say, did it take it there? Almost no. So basically, from this point all the way down here, the market has literally. Imagine you got short here, goes down, comes up, and you're bringing your stop down. Okay, bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down, bringing it down. There's been no stops taken on the way down, basically. So I believe anyway, that we're going to get a nice pop, at least over these highs, which will give us about a 70 pip move on the dollar, which in turn will push the euro lower. Now, I don't normally trade on Sundays, but the reason I opened this trade is because you take a look at the 4 hour. You can see I've had this nice consolidation, a pop up. Okay, so it creates a high, comes back down, creates a lower high, comes back down. So all I'm looking for is just these 3 equal lows, stops to be taken here, and then maybe it resumes its move higher. I don't believe the dollar's just going to completely reverse and then just rip up to the upside. I think the dollar's weak. I think it's going to remain weak for a while, but that doesn't mean that you can't take small trades in between. Your main bias. I like to take scalps in between, and I'm happy with this trade. It makes perfect sense to me. The market opens slightly lower. In this case, a Euro USD. It's filled the gap, and then I'm expecting around about a 70 pip move lower, sort of 60-70 pips lower. I've got a 0.2 lot and a 0.1 lot, both at 35 pip stop, with the first target on my 0.10 at 30 pips. All right, and then the 70 pip target down here. We'll see how it pans out. You see, look, I'm up at £1.20. It's nothing yet. I just want to see how it kind of pans out going into tomorrow. The pound, kind of the same thing, but the difference with this is we had this deeper pullback and then push higher, creating this lower high. So coming down now, this would have to go a lot further down. You talk about 150 pips before it clears this swing low, and I don't think that's going to happen. I think the trade's in the Euro USD, and again, I might be completely wrong, but my analysis is telling me, that it's going lower, so I'm sticking with that for now. The rest I'm not really looking at much at the minute. Maybe USD CAD, a possible push higher for a short to continue the downtrend, and I've been saying this for a while now. I believe that we're going a good, it's about 370, 380 pips lower still, but the dollar needs to resume its trend lower before that happens. And because I believe it's going to get a little bit of a bounce first, I'm probably mildly intra-week bullish on the dollar, bearish on the euro, bearish or to neutral on the cable, and then the rest not really bothered about. So that's me, guys, for this week. Obviously things could change. I may very well get stopped out of this, and end up going long at some point. I don't know. I might even close these positions before, the end of the night. I mean, I don't know. But we'll see. I'm going to monitor them, see what happens, and and then we'll take it from there. And I'll go through the review video which will be tomorrow night. Review 15, I believe it will be. So 15 trading days so far. So far so good. So far so good. Alright guys, so I will catch you in the review video tomorrow. Have a great trading week, and if you guys got any questions or any issues or any problems or anything that you want to ask, any advice, you can follow me on Twitter at LockstockPip, and I'm more than happy to, just send me a tweet and I'm more than happy to respond. Alright guys, take care.